everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aishwarya and I hope that you all are doing pretty good. So guys, next we are going to have our science board exam. So this is going to be our third last board exam. So yes, we will have our board exam right on 2nd March. So we are left with only 1 or 2 days. So yes, I received many comments from my subscribers that they used to say that I don't use whiteboard anymore. So that's not true, guys. Actually, I use them for these kinds of work, like for drawing ray diagrams or maybe bio diagrams and all. So for some practice and all, I usually use this what we call it, whiteboard. So yes, sometimes practicing or studying on whiteboard becomes not easy and it becomes uncomfortable, so I usually prefer notebook. But yes, I do practice on whiteboard too. Practicing on whiteboard feels different and it gives different vibes. So I sometimes practice on whiteboard too, because apart from writing on notebook and suddenly writing on whiteboard gives another feeling. So yes, it becomes exciting. And yes, I usually prefer when I am bored in writing in notebooks. So yes, this is how it is. And here I am just practicing ray diagrams of light chapter, and not only light chapter, but yes, firstly because light chapter, because this chapter has horrible and many cases of ray diagrams of lens, mirror and all. So yes, all are important along with their nature of image and position too. So yes, all are important. So do practice once, that would help you a lot, guys. So I think science is a subject which needs a lot of practice, revision, writing, reading and everything. So yes, practicing some PYQ questions, yes, PYQs of chemistry, because chemistry subject is too long and yes, it requires practice, revision, everything, and especially its equation and all. So I was just practicing PYQs of chemistry so that I can score good, and I suggest you guys also to practice PYQs of chemistry, not only chemistry but physics and biology also. That would help you a lot. And yes, all the best, all the very best to all of you guys, and yes, give our best inputs. So guys, one of you commented in my previous videos about the strategies that I am applying for studying science. Not a basically strategy, I would say, but yes, doing these kinds of work like solving PYQs, practicing ray diagrams and all. This is the work that I'm usually doing in gap days preparation. So not a planned strategy, I would say, but yes, this is the only thing that I usually do in gap days. Moreover, we are only left with 2 exams after this, after we are done with this, which is SST and maths. So yes, after back to back we are having exams, so stay calm and take naps in between. I just got these milkshake, chocolate milkshake I would say, and burger along with that for nice, I would say, what we call it, break after studying too much. And yes, this was it of Burger King, and yes, I really enjoyed it after having this kind of nashta, I would say, or something, lunch or break, not lunch, break actually. So it was too good, guys, like it totally changed my mind. And yes, I enjoyed a lot. Next most important thing which you and I need to do is solving various MCQs of all the chapters, I would say, because all chapters are equally important in science paper. So yes, just solving MCQs of starting from chemistry and ending it from what chapter I don't know, but yes, starting it from chemical reactions and equation chapter, which is chapter number 1, and solving MCQs, because generally students lack in MCQs because they are done with their subjective part of something. And yes, because MCQ comprises of 20 marks questions, so yes, losing marks is not a good idea. So just trying to overcome with the mistakes of assertion reason along with that, and MCQs too, because sometimes they become horrible when you see these kinds of difficult questions in paper, and when you are not able to solve them, that feeling is not good, guys. So yes, to resist that, let's just solve MCQs and assertion reason questions along with that case based questions too. So all are equally important. Okay.